Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful car. It's a 1966 Chevelle SS. It's a real 138. I got a good friend of mine, Pete, here, is going to tell us a little bit about it. How you doing today, Pete?
Pretty good.
Nice day, huh?
Yeah, beautiful day to be out with the car.
You ain't kidding. So tell us about it.
Well, it's a 138 real SS 66 Chevelle, 396, 325 horse. Has a cam in it. Hydraulic cam. It's got the factory 12-bolt rear, an M20 4-speed tranny. All the interior is new. Headliner, new carpet, console, gauge package and a dash. Full 2.5-inch exhaust right to the back. It has headers. It's a nice street car. Very collectible.
It is. Sitting on US mags. Those are brand new with fresh tires. They're 17s, right?
Yep.
And looks like it's got a 275 on the back. Got discs up front, drum in the rear. Car sounds incredible. It's got roller rockers. Paint is beautiful. Like he said, buckets, console, seat belts all the way around, brand new carpet. Looks like a new dash, new headliner. Every single light in here works, including this rear light here. Pretty cool. Nice, honest car. Let's check it under the hood. There it is, 396. It's not the original motor, but period correct. It's got long tube headers leading to dual exhaust. It sounds really, really good. It's got a new Holly on there, 750 double pumper.
No, vacuum secondary.
Oh,
750 vacuum.
vacuum secondary.
Yeah, it's better for the street.
Okay. Electronic choke. The valve covers are a little higher than normal to accommodate the roller rockers. It's got an electronic distributor, so it's pointless. Fresh wires, plugs, everything. Is the motor rebuilt too?
No,
It sounds so good.
probably got 138,000 miles on the motor.
Wow.
But it runs good, doesn't burn oil.
Yeah, sounds good too. You fired up?
Yeah.
Got a custom sound system in it. And didn't even touch the gas. So that's a custom auto-tune system. New speakers throughout, and I think it's got an aux input too.
Yeah.
Man, sounds good. Super straight body, real good fitment of the panels all the way around. These US mags really set it off. Brand new door handles, rear view mirrors. Looks like the bumpers are new too.
Yeah, original bumpers, recon.
Wow, they look fantastic. Man, this motor runs so nice. Brand new shocks too. It's got a brand new one-piece floor. There's no rust. Brand new quarters too. They were hung. Not a piece, the whole thing. So they're steamed up here at the top. This paint is magnificent too. Really nice stainless throughout. New handle on this side as well. Oh, new door skins too.
How good they
Yeah, they
line up.
fit beautiful. Original emblems.
Yeah, the original emblems, I cleaned them up.
They look great. Original grill. Is this the original hood too?
No, it's an aftermarket.
Yeah, brand new hood.
But we got everything lined up.
Yeah, it fits beautiful. You know, these cars weren't this nice when they were built.
Yeah, right.
Original seatbelts though, right?
Yeah.
Could we go for a quick ride? New glass, right? Pete. The side windows are original. They roll up beautiful too. Really nice shape. He's got a new windshield and new rear glass. M20 4-speed.
New clutch, all that.
Brand new clutch, throw out bearing. Man, this thing sounds great. New dash too, right?
Yeah, new dash pad. This is new.
This
All
piece
the other trimmings are new.
is new. The trimmings are new. Obviously, this is new. Super clear. 38,846 miles or 138?
Probably 130.
Probably 138. She's fresh. How many miles on the rest though? Since you've been driving it?
I don't know. Maybe I have 100.
100 miles. Awesome. Runs so good. This headliner is beautiful too.
It's got a
New visors.
256 Posi rear.
Okay, so it's got the 12 bolt. It's a 66 rear with the correct housing.
Right.
So it bolts at the top. And 256 gears.
Yep.
Wow.
Good highway car.
Yeah, great highway car. I love the whine of the M20 too.
Yeah.
Sounds so good. Man, she's got some snot.
I'm only tickling the panel.
These door panels are new too, right?
Yep, all new door panels. New quarter panels, you know.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. And also check out more pictures, information, detail on our main website, weebyautos.com. Smash the subscribe button, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.